Hi everyone, Happy New Year! I hope you're enjoying your 2018 so far. I know I am. It's finally getting cold in California, so I can finally wear the coats that I've been looking forward to all year, barely even. Sometimes I'll like sweat in them, but I'm like, I got this coat for me to wear it, so I kind of just suffered through it. But that's what I actually wanted to show you guys today. I want to show you my current favorite outerwear pieces and maybe give some inspiration if you needed it. If you would like to see what I have to offer, then please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and yeah, let's get into it.
Moto. Sucker.
So the first piece that I have is your typical black leather jacket. I feel like everyone needs to have a black leather jacket in their closet. It really ties up an outfit. It adds a little spoof, or what do you call it? Adds a pop? Not poop. But anyways, it really can tie up an outfit. It makes it look cooler, it makes it look fancier, it makes you look more done up and more ready. You can throw it over anything, really. This jacket has buttons on the sleeves. I like leaving it open just because usually I'm wearing my Apple Watch and I like to be able to easily access it. The one thing that I don't like about this jacket is that when I put stuff in my pocket and I try to grab it, the zipper is really harsh on my hand. So I feel like sometimes it'll like cut up my knuckles. Not to actually leave a cut, but it just kind of like, I don't know, like sands it every time I take my hand out. The second piece that I have is this double-breasted coat. It's kind of like a wool blend coat. It's really soft and it's not stiff at all. I kind of don't know how to explain it, but it doesn't have any buttons. You just kind of fold it over, and I really love this one because you can wear it as casual or as fancy as you want to. If you throw on a sweater under it, it's kind of more of that New York winter type of coat, or you can wear it over a dress and it's just kind of like that fancy coat to keep you warm. When I was sick, I actually wore one of Carlos's sweaters that I stole from him under this, and I ended up really loving it, and so I'm kind of on the hunt for a sweater, turtleneck type sweater like that that's actually my size. So for my third coat, I have this tan Sherpa lined felt on the outside coat. I really love this one. I think it's gonna be my favorite piece this year. I just love it because it makes an outfit look a lot cooler. If you're wearing all black and throw this on, it just kind of adds so much more to the outfit. I also really love that it has this belt on the bottom. I never actually use it, I just let it hang out, but I really like that it's there. It just adds a little more to the coat and makes it look cooler. Sorry if you hear a little baby running in the background. My niece is here and she's as hyper as can be right now, so sorry, but it's kind of cute. I like it there. For my fourth piece, I have this army trench coat. It goes down to like right above my knees, and it's actually a large kids jacket, but I snagged it right away because the material, the quality is really nice, and I got it, I think I want to say for like 15 bucks. Like, it was really cheap, and I got really excited because I've been eyeballing an army's trench coat since like before last winter, and so when I saw this I got really excited and I really love it. It keeps me really warm, and yeah. And of course, for my last piece, my jean jacket. I think that everyone should also have a jean jacket in their closet. It's like a staple outerwear piece. I think it's the same as a black leather jacket. You can throw it on almost every outfit. Mine is a little more distressed. I like that it's more distressed just because I feel like it's more vintage that way. I got this jacket in a large. I think I saw it I think my niece was looking for me for a little bit. But anyways, I'm not huge on fitted jean jackets, so that's why I got this one in a large. I think I found it at like a Charlotte Russe for like 20 bucks. It was on sale as well, and I want to invest in more because I really love them, and like I said, they go with like almost every outfit. So yeah, this is my jean jacket. Alright guys, so those are my current favorite outerwear pieces so far. Of course my collection's gonna grow as I run into more deals, trends change, things like that. But so far, those coats keep me as warm as they need to be. They're really easy to style and they add so much to an outfit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more. I really plan to pump out more videos this year, so give me your feedback. But anyways, besides that, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.